Climate Change is Impacting Our City, Yonkers by Luis Marroquin. My research writing project. Research writing assignment. My research writing assignment was about addressing how climate change is impacting the city of Yonkers. I chose to write a speech. I selected this topic because I can see how storms are leaving a greater impact to our city compared to past years. My desire was to make my audience aware of the greater issue and how we can support efforts against climate change. My audience. My audience included the students, faculty, and staff of Saunders Trades and Technical High School. Reasons for selection of above audience: to encourage the young generations to take steps for a better future, to engage schools to participate in efforts at a group level. The problem: severe rain. There is an increase in storms that bring large amounts of rain in a short period of time. Flooding. Due to severe rain and lack of clear drains, there is more rapid flooding occurring. Financial losses. Flooding is damaging house structures, roads, causing submerged cars and closed roads. The solution: teach students. Teach students in school about climate change efforts. Raise issues to city officials. Write letters to city officials about investing in climate change efforts. Take action at home. Encourage students to take small steps at home to save energy and fight climate change. The rhetorical strategies in my appeal. Dominant rhetorical strategies and examples. Logos. I included actual data to highlight the emotional and financial impact caused by climate change. Example: in Westchester County, a total of 5 lives were lost. Yonkers submitted a $5.2 million relief request to FEMA, which was denied in July 2024. Edwards. Reasoning: the reason I used logos was to demonstrate the veracity of the impact of recent storms in Yonkers. Lives are being lost and costs are adding up to repair the physical damage. Dominant rhetorical strategies and examples. Pathos. I included a real-life experience to connect with the audience emotionally. Example: we witnessed many cars abandoned on the highways and local parkways due to rising waters. When we got home, our apartment was flooded, and we lost many personal belongings due to the severe damage. Marroquin. Reasoning: my intention with sharing a real-life experience was to connect with the audience and demonstrate that I've also been personally impacted by the recent severe storms. It's also my story to tell. Reflections about my research writing project. Helpful preparatory assignments and activities. Joseph's rhetorical analysis discussion A. This assignment was helpful in breaking down Malala's speech for the final assignment. Assignments also help to identify the rhetorical strategies, research, writing plan, peer review. Feedback given by professor help narrow down the topic and audience. Assignments help to clarify the focus points of speech. Challenges experienced and overcome. Challenge: identifying the rhetorical strategies. Description: in the beginning it was challenging to distinguish between some of the rhetorical strategies. The feedback from professor helped clarify some of the misunderstandings. Challenge: find different sources. Focus on a specific city of Yonkers. Description: it was challenging to find different sources that focus on impact to Yonkers. Most sources focus on other cities such as Manhattan and cities in New Jersey. Challenge: speech recording. Description: I had comfort in speaking on a topic that was close to me personally, but I was nervous about my speech skills as English is my second language. I practiced a couple of times before doing final recording. Transferable skills. I learned to connect the ideas and rhetorical strategies to the examples that a speaker or author includes in their speech or literature. I developed and improved on a format to be followed for an effective and organized speech.